Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm 21 years old and a fourth-year comms student here at the University of Ottawa, where I'm also part of the Gigi's equestrian team. Now, enough about me. My question for you is, what would you do if you won the lottery? As part of Dr. Strangelub's Advertising and Society course, I was asked to come up with a research question, one which I've reformulated about 10 times by now, but here's how it goes. What techniques and content is used by lottery ads to give me goosebumps and a taste of that winning feeling? As a follow-up, I'd like to know if seeing those ads actually make me purchase tickets. I chose this question for a few reasons. Number one, I was really intrigued by the concept of people spending money, often weekly, for a piece of paper just offering them that slim chance at winning a jackpot, even if they've gone their whole life without winning more than $20. Number two, lottery isn't a product for a specific group of people. Although it seems like older adults are the ideal public, according to OLG, there's still 16% of current players, which are people that have purchased at least one ticket in the last 2 months, that are under the age of 35. As for gender, there's almost equal percentage of male and female players. I think most of us would love to win, so who do they design the ads for? There's also never any real change to the product, so how do they keep making advertising for lottery interesting and engage the next generation? As part of my data collection, I based myself mostly on ethnographic field notes taken in class and at home in relation to my research project, which I've then analyzed and coded to find common themes. I've also tried engaging in conversations around the topic with my family and roommates to just try and get a wider perspective. During this whole process, I came across few aha moments. But before that, I'd like to mention that I'm mainly focusing on the lottery campaigns that stage people's dreams becoming reality and/or finding out they won. First of all, it's the idea that lottery sells you your dreams. After watching a lottery ad, you get thinking on what you would do with that money. They encourage and inspire you to keep building on these dreams. On a more personal level, I noticed that the odd time I do purchase tickets, it's not because I just saw an ad for it, but mostly when I hear from colleagues, family, or the radio that there's a big jackpot coming up. That being said, I sort of connected the dots and thought television ads might be used mostly to help us start dreaming and thinking on what we would do so that when we do hear about the next jackpot, whether it be by word of mouth or the radio, those are triggered and we make the move. Radio is also probably even ideal since if you listen to it in the car, there's that convenience of buying a ticket at the next gas station. Finally, in relation with another class I'm currently taking, we talked about mirror neurons, which are fired both when we perform an action and when we see someone else perform it. This also applies with feelings and emotions, so this would explain why I get all excited when I see people winning the lottery on TV. Thanks for listening.